What's going on, everybody? Today we will be unboxing the Insta360 X5 Starter Bundle, and this is the Satin White model. Now, this box is really difficult to open, so you will likely need a knife to cut it along the top, at least for the way that it came packaged to me. The lid open, and first off we got the 360 cam, the X5 itself. I did go with the Satin White. I thought it was really cool looking in the Satin White, and I heard some reviews online that it could potentially help with heat dissipation compared to the charcoal or black model, since it wouldn't attract the heat as much. So it could prevent overheating in some outdoor environments. So here is the Insta360 X5. Along with the X5 in the starter bundle, you also get an additional battery. This is the Satin White version of the battery. And you do also get a lens cap to match the color of the camera you choose. And last but not least, the invisible selfie stick. Let's go ahead and start by unboxing the Insta360 X5 and then move on to the accessories. This X5 is actually my first 360 camera, so I'm really excited to see what Insta360 has to offer with this 360 camera, and I'm really excited to use it for some of my behind the scenes content and for some action cam type footage. So here you can see very nice packaging. As soon as you open up the box, you're presented with the X5. See here, this is the Satin White. All right, and with the X5, you get your manual. And this nice little carry case. And it looks like we also have a charging cable and screen/lens cloth inside here. So here's the USB-C cable and cleaning cloth that comes with the X5 in the carry case. Looks like it fits pretty nicely in there. I'm kind of surprised how small the form factor of this is. It's very nice. You can see how it's going to be pretty easy for me to take on the go. Just like that. Next, I'll unbox the lens cap that comes with the starter bundle. And here we are. Here's the lens cap. So it just goes on like this. Nice little silicone type protector. Gonna be really nice for throwing this thing in my bag, so that I can make sure those lenses don't get scratched or dinged up. Next, let's open our spare battery. And it looks like the battery does come with a nice little carrying case, which is pretty cool because there's also what looks to be 2 slots here for micro SD cards. Something that's really kind of a small extra touch, but really nice to have if you're bringing multiple SD cards for a shoot, or if you're bringing this on like a vacation or something. Finally, one of my favorite items out of this whole bundle, the invisible selfie stick. Alright, here it is, the invisible selfie stick. And it's just a telescoping selfie stick. Overall, it seems like a really high build quality though. And this just has a traditional screw-in mount, so I'm just screwed in here to the bottom of our X5. And boom. We are ready to go. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video of the Insta360 X5 Starter Bundle. I'm really looking forward to putting this 360 cam to use for some behind the scenes content and also for getting some more creative shots and some action shots. Once I get a chance to play around with this camera some more, I do plan on conducting a full-length review on my thoughts of the Insta360 X5. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this and more content with the Insta360 X5. Thanks for watching.